Come along with me as I feed the chickens. I have three 3-inch PVC pipes that were built into the wall. The middle one is open, so whatever I put in there goes straight out onto the ground. The north and south tubes have caps on them that I sawed in half, so the chickens have to eat out of those tubes. The lip keeps the food from spilling out onto the ground like the middle one. I mix it up with a little bit of chicken pellets, some scratch, and about once or twice a week, I give them a little bit of mealworms. Now let's go see what they're up to. I used my Dremel drill to saw the caps of the PVC in half. That way the chickens can stick their little heads in there and eat the food, but the food doesn't pour out onto the ground like it does in the middle tube. I rake this area out about once or twice a week and spread diatomaceous earth around. They do have attitudes. There's always a queen hen. It changes day by day, it seems like. I designed this door to be the height of a wheelbarrow that I can pull up next to there and scrape all of these shavings out when I need to clean it. These are their laying boxes. We have 6. I call it the COVID coop. We built it in 2020, so it's about 5 years old. It was white, and I have been in the process of painting it brown. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel for more life here at MapleWood Farm.